Welcome to the garden. Let's dig in. So I would like to show you my lovely irises. Some of them are already finishing up. Some of them just starting. This yellow one is called Crocea. This beautiful one is Kalahari. I have my Cordis roses in bloom. And my Mortagon mix is in bloom also. So this is a lovely pink one. Yes, lovely pink one. The dark red wine colored is Cloud Ride. And this one is Arabian Night. And this looks really small, doesn't feel good there. And I have my Allium Giganteum in flower. Lovely. So, thank you for being with me. Till next time, happy gardening.